Alright, you guys, so this is the final product. I feel like if I were to add edges to this, it would be cute, but just for the sake of this video, I want to manipulate this hair as little as possible. So this is the final look after straightening the hair. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Urban Side, aka Bad Gal, and I am back with another video. First of all, lace where? Do you guys see any lace? Or is this my hair? I'm confused. So this hair is from Alipearl hair. This is what I did with it for my birthday celebration. I curled it up nicely. I've been wearing this wig for the whole entire Christmas break and I have been loving it, throwing it on and off. If you guys want to see how I get the lace to look like this very easily, very beginner friendly, look at that. It looks so seamless. If y'all want to see how I do this, stay tuned. We're going to get straight into the unboxing of this wig. So it comes in like a bag, and then it has 2 HD caps, the edge brush, the little elastic band, and then the eyelashes, the long, very long dramatic eyelashes, and a little bag for the wig. Now let's put all that back in there. And let's just get straight into this wig because I'm excited. It is currently Christmas Eve for me, so this feels like Christmas. I've always wanted a glueless wig, like for the longest time. And finally, Alipearl reached out to me, so we're gonna review it. So this is it straight out of the package. The hairline on this looks really good. It looks like they already like hot combed the front of it, which I'm loving right now. My braid down is already set up. I'm actually going to use this edge booster. I'm going to use their little edge brush that they gave to me because mine's a little bit, expired. I don't even have to worry about putting alcohol around my hairline because I don't even have to really brush back my edges for real, but you probably might want to brush your edges back even if it's a glueless wig. I'm actually so excited for this. Like, if this wig is good, it's gonna be my everyday pop it on, like if I'm going somewhere, and then as soon as I get home and I'm ready to go to bed, take it off. Like, because you know how it is, if you're a wig girly and you've worn wigs before, you know how uncomfortable it could be to sleep in your wig. So this is gonna solve that problem for me. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are watching this video because you're planning on getting a glueless wig, or what it is. That's basically all I had to do, brush back my edges. So let's put this wig on and let's see what we're working with. It feels soft. This wig was titled Pre-Cut Lace Easy Ready to Go Silky Straight Hair. This is also 22 inches. As you can see, this is a closure wig, so it doesn't go all the way to the ears, which can be really annoying. When you have a full frontal, it actually gets so annoying on the ear tabs, especially for me because my sideburns come down pretty low, so every single time that I have a closure wig on, the sideburns be so annoying. They're always lifting up and stuff. I'm actually going to heat up my hot comb because I think I'm going to need to use my hot comb. Let me throw her on. Alright, for the big reveal. I'm just going to put it on. Put the strap over. And put it down. Okay, we'll pull this down here. Okay. So far so good. Hold on. I will say, so far so good. Like, my ears, you're not supposed to lift the hair up because it's like the lace is only from here to here, so you typically want to wear this in like a straight middle part. But I have a piercing right here, and whenever I wear wigs, it's always super uncomfortable. My ear feels really good. Like, this wig feels secure on my head. This strap on this wig is adjustable, so for whatever the size of your head is, you can just adjust it to it. But this is looking pretty good. One thing I will say is that it's looking a little bit square right now. Like I could leave the house like this, but something about it is just not sitting right with me. A close-up on the lace. Here is a close-up on what the lace actually looks like. So you can actually see the lace here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of makeup on this to try to get it to match my skin tone perfectly. So when it comes to putting makeup on your lace, it's sometimes questionable if you're close to my skin color. So far, the best one for me that's pretty realistic is this Born This Way concealer in the shade Brulee that I got. This is what it looks like. Hopefully it's focusing. I'm gonna take like a small brush like this, put a little bit of it on the back of my hand, literally like the tiniest amount. I'm gonna dip into it, but I'm gonna like kind of brush it off onto my skin, so I only have a little bit. And I'm just gonna like, one thing I will say is like my head looks kind of boxy, so I'm gonna use my hot comb to like flatten it out, and I'm also gonna straighten it because it's not like bone straight right now. It's kind of like wavy. Okay, as you can see, like right here specifically looks super seamless. So I'm just gonna like cut some of this lace, like, and cut a little bit more lace. You could wear the wig like this, but the lace is kind of like detectable. Alright, so this is a close-up on what the wig looks like without any glue. You can see that the lace is kind of detectable. You can kind of see it. So I'm gonna take some Got2b glue spray on my finger, and I'm just gonna tap it into the lace. So this takes minimal skill. This is really easy to do. So I'm gonna make this as easy as possible. Literally the tiniest amount. You can use anything. You can use Got2b glue. You can use Ebin lace adhesive spray. So this is just gonna give the lace that melted effect. Ooh, this band is blinged out. That's cute. Hold on. Alright, so now while I'm waiting for this to melt, I'm gonna take my hot comb, flatten out this hair a little bit. Let's see if I can make this give bust down, because right now it's not really giving bust down. Right now it's giving square head. So if you get this wig, just keep in mind that you might need to have a hot comb or like a straightener just to like, you know, press it out a little bit. So I'm just gonna take some Got2b spray on my hand and lay it down. So I'm only going to be using this one product for this to make this like as easy as possible for beginners to replicate. I'm just going to straighten this. So this hair is basically straight already, so straightening it is very, very easy. It doesn't seem too dense, like it's not too much hair. I'm not quite sure what the density of this specific one is. Alright guys, so I'm going to just go ahead and take off this band. Now it's giving seamless. Alright you guys, so this is the final product. I feel like if I were to add edges to this, it would be cute. But just for the sake of this video, I want to manipulate this hair as little as possible. So this is the final look after straightening the hair. The hair is not that dense, so it's very lightweight, it's very comfortable, and this is something that I can just throw on and off. I think this is really cute, really nice, very chic, very elegant. It's giving me like businesswoman, business savvy, and I'm really happy that I can throw this on and off. This is the close-up on the wig after applying the spray to it. Very beautiful, very seamless. I definitely recommend this if you're a beginner. You can follow this tutorial and you'll have your hair done in no time. I think it came out very nice, very chic, very elegant, like I said. All the links will be in the description box below for this hair, because this 8 down. If you are a beginner and you want to start getting into wigs and doing it yourself, I definitely recommend this 10 out of 10. I'll have all of the links down in the description box below. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this wig, if you guys are gonna buy this wig. But it's Urban Sai, and we out. Peace.